everyone, my name is Andi Pateña-Matheu. Join me as we learn and unlearn things and make new discoveries. This is AnDiscoveries. And the comma goes to AnDiscoveries. For today's episode, we are going to create two classic Indian-Pakistani dishes, and who would be able to help us better than someone who has Indian and Pakistani roots himself. Let's all welcome Chef Zafar Rana and his lovely wife, Miss Marigen Rana. Thank you so much for joining us, and we are so excited to finally get a taste of this celebration. So let's head on over to our secret menu kitchen in 3, 2, 1. Welcome Chef Zafar and Miss Marigen to our secret menu kitchen with Chef Coke.
Hi, welcome Chef Zafar and Miss Jen. Welcome to the secret menu kitchen.
Yes, we're so happy to have the both of you here with us. And as mentioned earlier, our theme for our episode, for our secret menu recipe this month is the Diwali festival. So what are we making in relation to this festival, Chef?
Okay, today for the Diwali festival, we are going to prepare a vegetable biryani. So that will be one of the most important dish because most of the Indians or the Hindus, they don't eat the meat. Right. So we are going to be choose for the vegetable biryani. Okay. So everyone can prepare on their festival. And the second item, we will have some goat karahi.
Oh.
So like goat is like a premium item. So it's not like cook every day for the people. So we are going to prepare this special dish on this occasion.
Yay, I'm
excited. So that will be our second one. And we will prepare some tea or some drinks, so that is pair with that one.
Actually, I can already smell the spices right now, and I'm very excited to taste our dish. Of course, Miss Jen, Chef Zafar's lovely wife, will also be assisting in the kitchen.
Yeah, she's gonna assist it out.
So, from Pakistan, did you go directly to Cebu or no? It's still a long story.
I am a civil engineer by profession. So I work in Pakistan for most of the site. And you know, in civil construction, when you go somewhere, you have nothing. When you are going to make a road, you are going to make a development, you cannot find anything. So that's where I start to cook. So I always ask my mother, so I have to cook by my own to eat it out. So after that, I transfer it to my Middle East, to Qatar. So I had worked in Qatar like 18 years. So I start as a site supervisor, I go as a quality engineer, and I go as a procurement manager. So during the procurement, I have introduced with many cuisine, with many person, with many countries to visit. So after the Qatar, we had moved to the United States.
But wait, is this where you met your wife? In Qatar?
In Qatar. When I was in Qatar, I met her in a restaurant over there.
So that's the highlight of your Qatar experience. So, I'll ask first Miss Marigen. Miss Marigen, was it love at first sight during that first encounter sa Qatar?
Actually, dili jud ko ganahan magminyog Muslim.
Yan, naman.
Na, grabe siya yung sacrifice na ako. So, from 8
really,
o'clock
I had to wait for her shift to finish like 1 o'clock midnight.
Oh, really?
And then I have to go to my work in morning 7 o'clock.
Hello, grabe na, Jod. If this is not true love, I don't know what that is.
7 o'clock, I go to my work. I finish my work like 6 o'clock. After 6 o'clock, I just eat something and go to her restaurant.
Really?
And I wait outside in the car from 7 o'clock to midnight, 12 or 1 o'clock. So till she finish it out, so I will take her back. I don't want her to use the company transport. So that's where she really find it out that I will care of her.
Sana all. Haba ng hair ni Mas Marigen, right? Tell us about the Diwali festival, Chef Zafar.
Diwali is a festival of light.
Yes.
So it's come from the word of 𝗵𝗏 from Sanskrit. So it's called like a victory of light over the darkness. So that is what Diwali is. Diwali is row of the light. So in the starting of the Indian calendar, the Hindu calendars, they make this festival. So most of the houses put the light in their house just to be celebrate or symbolize that light is always victory over the darkness. So good is always better than the evil.
When you're cooking, Chef Zafar, what would you say is the most staple spice that you cannot live without?
One is the turmeric
Turmeric.
and one is the green chili.
This one?
This one, the
this
red
one.
chili. These two spices, you really need to have it out.
For every Indian
For every,
dish?
yes.
Really?
Turmeric is the must. Without turmeric and green chili, you cannot do it.
So we're also adding the garlic
Yeah,
ginger
garlic.
paste.
Garlic ginger paste help you out to remove if there is a smell in that.
Ah, so sa Bisaya pa, it's called the langsi, no?
Yeah.
So para mawa ang langsi, kinahanglan na ang garlic ginger paste.
Yeah. It's gonna be remove all the smell or anything, whatever it is.
And in fact, the dishes that we're preparing are healthy, right?
Of
We have the
course.
vegetable biryani, and goat meat is healthier.
Of course, ma'am.
So also the basmati rice. If
Yeah.
you eat the basmati rice, it's the most healthiest rice na so di siya makatambok.
Mo ba?
Pero ay sakit
Pwes.
daw sa kasako.
Order na kog basmati rice. Oh, tell us about the unique features of the basmati rice, by the way, Chef Zafar.
Basmati rice, I told you, as it's a complete different rice. It's grow in the fourth mountain of Himalaya. It's not in all over the area. It's well known for their aroma and for their properties.
So this is also one of the most interesting features of Indian cuisine, right? You use yogurt a lot in your dishes.
We don't use the cream. Like for even a chicken curry, it will be with the yogurts. So we don't use the coconut milk.
Yes.
Like in Thailand, if Thai chicken curry, you will eat it out, it's with the coconut
Yes.
milk.
Alright, so while we're thickening the sauce over there, we are going to prepare what, Chef?
It's called raita. It's a
What's
yogurt
this?
sauce.
Okay.
So which one is go pair with the biryani, with any of the dish.
Okay.
It's like, you can say it's like a salad, but with a yogurt mix. That's what we call it, raita, with some of the spices. So we are gonna mix it up. So for that one, we are just gonna take the tomato, onion, cucumbers, yogurt, and some of the spices. We will just mix it up.
Nihang akong mata sa nakahila ko. Ako naanan ka nakahila ko sa onion.
Onion jam. You did not tell that one that you are making a onion jam.
Okay, so now we are going to mix the biryani rice.
Yes, yeah, the biryani rice to the vegetable.
Okay.
So for the tea, it's very easy.
So what kind of tea are we making?
Black tea.
Black tea.
Black tea with milk, the Indian-Pakistan tradition tea. So we are going to prepare some tea. That is like every day everyone use it out. Afternoon tea, daytime tea,
Yes.
morning tea. We cannot live without tea.
Oh,
So
really?
like over here you use the coffee.
Yes.
For us we use the tea.
So for you, tea is life.
Yeah. So tea, without that we cannot live. My wife,
Oh.
I appreciate her every day. She makes 6 to 7 cups of tea.
Alright, so we're already done with our chai tea latte. Karon, we are going to prepare the cold version, right, Chef?
Yeah, now we are going to prepare the mango lassi. Yeah.
Yes. This is the colder one.
Yeah, colder
Yes,
one.
yes,
So the
okay.
hot one is done.
Right.
So for this one, we are just gonna take it out the yogurt. Lassi is like a yogurt drink.
Okay.
So it's every day, everyone drink it out in a breakfast, in the daytime. And when you eat like a spicy type food, you need something to reduce the heat, to be
Yes.
digest for your stomach.
Yes.
So people go for the lassi. Here we go with our finished product. That's a mutton karahi with the bread.
And this is a vegetable biryani with a raita.
All right, so it's finally time to take a taste of our Indian-Pakistani cuisine for this month's episode of our secret menu recipe. And joining us for this part of today's show are the HR leaders of Mega World Hotels and Resorts. We have Miss MJ and Miss Bing. Welcome! Join us! Chef Zafar, teach us on saan pagkaon ani, saan pag-mix?
That's just a vegetable biryani.
Yes.
Okay.
Saan man?
You can just take it. And you can just eat it. It's just simple as
And then
it.
you add this one.
This one,
Oh,
you can,
should
yeah.
we
you
add
can
that
just,
one?
yeah, you can just put it on there. On the topping.
Oh,
amazing.
Okay. That's speechless. So this one I'm gonna dip.
Yeah.
I can dip.
You can dip or you can
This is
use.
nice.
It's very easy to eat. Over here, you're gonna take it. If you want a full bite of this, or you can pack it.
Inanaw na di. Sige, balik. Grab to.
Go.
Yes.
And try it out the lassi with it, and you are gonna, if you are gonna feel it.
Enjoy.
Cheers. Nami. Very refreshing.
Nice.
It's a good
Very
combination, no?
Thank you,
With a
Chef.
savory dish.
It's really complimenting.
Before we invite our viewers to try this for themselves, of course, Chef Zafar, also invite them to check out your restaurant. Where are you located?
So our commissary is located in 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗃𝗏. You may order with the Grab Food, Food Panda, Soli's Pakistani Indian restaurant. And if you are having a time for dining, so we have a small restaurant for dining located in H Mall with the name of Biryani Hut by Solis. So you all are most welcome to come and try our cuisine.
Yay! Thank you so much for being our partners for today's episode. And of course, ay sa palupig chef ko. Masama pag-order ani sa Savoy.
You can visit Savoy Hotel Mactan at our Savoy Cafe. So na may QR code nga to. So you just scan that QR code so you can see these items and food na we sell. So just if dili mo work ang QR code, just approach our service staff.
All right.
To ask them about secret menu.
Okay, thank you so much, Chef Zafar. Thank you so much, Ms. Marigen. It has been an honor that you've shared with us a taste of your culture, and of course, kaning lamian kayo ninyong recipe, no? And we can't wait for you guys to try this out yourselves. So again, just visit us here at Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown for our secret menu recipe of the month. We are going to continue digging in. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Diwali! Enjoyed this episode, and may this festival of lights bring you and your loved ones endless happiness and success. This has been Andi for AnDiscoveries.